Online classes of NLK group of schools. It is your mathematics class and I am going to start a new chapter which is integers. Which is integers. The name of the chapter is integers, which is the first chapter of your book. Before starting the chapter, I want to tell you some basic terms related to the chapters. The first term is natural number, which you have already studied in your class 6. Let us read what is written. Natural numbers are the numbers which are positive in nature and includes the numbers from 1 till infinity. These numbers are countable and are generally used for calculation purpose. The set of natural numbers are represented by the capital letter of English alphabet N. So natural numbers are always positive in nature. For example, as you can see in your screen, 1 2 3 4 5 till infinity. It is the sign of infinity. The next term is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The natural numbers along with zero form the collection of whole numbers. As for example, you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 till infinity. So you can see that only 0 is a number which is not present in natural number, otherwise all natural numbers are whole numbers. So we can also say that if we include 0 in natural number, we get the whole numbers. The next is what we have to learn. I want to make you see full page of it. Yes, it is the first page of your content book. First page of your chapter integers. Let us zoom it and study what are integers. Let us read out what are integers written in your book. Integers are the number. Integers, the collection of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers, is collectively known as integer. Whole numbers, in whole numbers there are 0 and all positive numbers. If we combine them with negative integers, negative numbers, we get the integers. Means we can say that integers are the collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. As you can see, some negative numbers are written. Negative numbers are called negative integers. All positive numbers are called positive integers. 0 is considered neither in positive nor in negative numbers. The set of integer is denoted by capital alphabet set. Integers can be negative or positive. As you all know that natural number and whole numbers can never be in negative. They are always in positive, and integers can be negative or positive. The next page, the next heading which we have to study is ordering and comparison of integers. Ordering means arranging the integers in ascending or descending order. Comparison, we have some numbers. Suppose we have some numbers, we have to compare them. We have to tell which number is greater and which is smaller. Before I teach you this, I want to look some other thing which is given here. Yes, it is a number line. Let us erase it. Yeah. Yes, some a number line is drawn in your book. You can see middle term is 0. Some numbers are written right side of the 0 and some number is written left side of the 0. Or the numbers which are written right side of the 0, they are all positive number and they are called positive integers. The number which has written left side of the number 0, they are always in negative form and they are called negative integers. Some more information is this: when we move towards right, when we move towards right, the number increases. When we move towards left, the number decreases. लेफ्ट जाने पर हम जैसे जैसे लेफ्ट जाएंगे नंबर डिक्रीज होगा और जैसे जैसे हम राइट जाएंगे वैसे वैसे हमारा नंबर इंक्रीज होगा. सो वी कैन से कि 1 इज रिटन, द नंबर विच इज रिटन लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ some other number, it is always less in value. Suppose 1 and 2 is written, 1 is written left side of the 2, so 1 is less than 1 is less than 2. And minus 3 and minus 2 is written, minus 2 is written right side of the minus 3, so minus 2 is always greater than minus 3. So right place number, or if two numbers are given, so right side of number it always greater than the left side of the number. Let us read now ordering and comparison of data. Some rules are given, some examples are given. Let us erase first and then we read it. Yes, for example 2 and 1. 2 is always written right side of the 1, so 2 is always greater than 1, as it is minus 1 is written right side of the minus 2, so minus 1 is greater than minus 2, as all example you can say. So some rules are given. The first rule is every positive integer is greater than every negative integers. Remember, always remember these things, these rules which are written. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integers. 0 is smaller than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. ठीक है, तो 0 एक ऐसा नंबर है, 0 is a number which is smaller than every positive numbers and greater than every negative integers. Let us move further. Yes, the further a number from 0 to its right, the greater its value. I have already told you that if you move towards the right, the number increases its value, and when you move toward 0, toward left of 0, the value decreases. Okay, next जो heading है हमारी, that is absolute value of integers. Absolute value of integers. Yeah, what are absolute value of integers? The distance of any integer from 0 on the number, means कि how far the number is from 0, either or left or in right. Right side of 0 is always positive and left side of 0 is always negative, but when we take absolute value, we take only numbers, not the sign. So we can say that absolute value is always in positive or 0, never be in negative form. Like let us erase first. Yes, like absolute value of plus 6 is always 6 and absolute value of minus 7 is always 7. So it can be never can be in negative. जो भी वैल्यू दी होगी उसका पॉजिटिव फॉर्म हम ले लेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. For example, some examples are given. 3 minus 2, absolute value of 3 minus 2. If something like that is written, so first we have to simplify it, then we can tell the absolute value of something. We know that 3 minus 2 is 1 and absolute value of 1 is 1. 3 minus 3 is written, we know that 3 minus 3 is 0 and absolute value is 0 is 0. 0 has no sign. Once again I am telling you, 0 has no sign, nor positive nor negative. 2 minus 3 is written, in 2 minus 3 is written in the difference of 2 and 3 is 1, but 3 is a big number, is a larger number than 2, and it has negative sign, so the answer is in negative form. But when we take the absolute value of minus 1, the absolute value of minus 1 is always 1. So we can say we saw that absolute value of 1 is 1 and absolute value of minus 1 is also 1. Let us move further. Some addition and subtraction rules we have to look. First of all, we erase it that we can see properly. Okay, addition and subtraction of integers. The number one rule: when we add two or more integers of the same sign, remember this word same sign means uh, when we add positive numbers with positive numbers, then the answer is always comes in positive, and when we add negative numbers, negative integers with negative integers, they add but the answer is in negative form. For example, it is written 7 plus 8. 7 and 8 both are in positive form, so answer of 7 plus 8 is always in positive form and they add 15. Minus 3 and minus 8 is written. Minus 3 both minus 3 and minus 8 both are negative integers, so the answer of this is also in negative form and they add. We have to add them. 8 plus 3 11, but both 3 and 8 are in negative form, so the answer is in negative form. Yes, let us watch some other rules which is written here. Let us zoom it so we can see properly. Okay. Yes, rule number 2 is written when we add two or more integers of different sign. Same sign में हमने देख लिया क्या होता है. Now we have to look what happen when two different signs when we add two different signs of integers. If we take one positive and one negative integers, then we always subtract them, and the sign, put the sign of the integer having the greater absolute value, means the an integer which have greater value उसका ही sign हम answer में use करेंगे. Let us see, for example, 5 plus minus 4 is given. The 5 is in positive form and the 4 is in negative form. We have one integer with positive sign and one integer with negative sign. So here when we add two or more integers or different sign, we simply subtract. We have to subtract them. 5 minus 1, 4, we get 1. 5 minus 4, we get 1, and 5 is the larger number than 4 and it has positive sign, so the answer is in positive form. Here one more example is given. Minus 7 plus 4. They both are different sign. The first one 7 is in negative form and the 4 is in positive form. The absolute value of when we subtract them, we get 3. What is the sign of the negative? What is the sign of the answer we get? How can minuses come? So we should see the question first. Minus 7 and 4 is written. 7 minus 7 की absolute value plus 7 होती है, तो 7 is a larger number and it has negative sign, so the answer is of negative sign. देख लेंगे जो भी नंबर हमारा बड़ा होगा, लार्जर होगा, उस नंबर के साथ जो साइन यूज हुआ है वही हम आंसर में यूज कर सकते हैं. Let us watch one more rule which is given. Yes, let us erase it first. Okay, now third rule is given. When we subtract two or more integers, we change the sign of the integer to be subtracted to positive. Means अगर कोई भी subtraction का sign दिया हुआ है और उसके बाद some integer is written, if the integer written after the subtraction sign is positive, then we have to change it in negative. If negative sign is given, then we have to change it in positive integer, then add or subtract according to the rules which have already studied in question number rule number 1 and 2. Here 9, for example, here 9 minus 8 is written, subtraction का sign है, then negative integers है, -8 लिखा हुआ है. Okay, so when if a number is positive, then it becomes a number is in negative form, it becomes in positive form. ये इसका opposite sign हमने ले लिया, प्लस हो गया. Then 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. That is according to rule number 1. And 6 minus plus 4 is written. प्लस 4 है और इससे पहले निगेटिव का साइन लगा हुआ, सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन लगा हुआ. इफ सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन इज गिवन, देन वी हैव टू change the next integer into its opposite sign. Plus 4 था, it becomes -4. And according to rule number 2, if one integer is in positive form and second number is in negative form, then we have to subtract it. Different signs are there. So 6 minus 4 is 2, because 6 is a larger number and it has positive sign, so the answer, the sign of answer should be positive. Okay, now all rules and are understood by us. Let us do some sums related to it. Yes, it is your exercise number 1.1 of your book, which page number is 3. The question is written, arrange the following integers in the ascending orders. We have to arrange them into ascending order, and some number, you can see some numbers are written. What should we do? We have to arrange in ascending order, and you all know that ascending order means smaller to bigger. Yes, we can see some negative numbers are given, some positive numbers are given, and 0. We know that the positive number is also always greater than the negative number and 0. So we can form it 0, first of all 0, 11 and 14, and some negative numbers are given. So -8 is always in left side of these negative integers. So -8 is always less than -7, -3 and -1. -8 is written first, then -7, then -3, then -1. Remember one thing, that in negative, when we take negative numbers, जब हम नेगेटिव नंबर लेते हैं तो उसमें जो नंबर जितना ग्रेटर होता है उसकी वैल्यू उतनी ही कम होती चली जाती है, बिकॉज इन नंबर लाइन इट गोज टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, एंड व्हेन वी गो टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट ऑफ द जीरो द वैल्यूज डिक्रीजेस. सो it is the ascending order which we formed, which is asked by the question. Let us read some more questions given over here. Yes, the next question is, simplify and find the absolute value of the following. Read the question carefully. First of all, we have to read the question carefully. So first of all, simplify is written, so we must simplify the given question, then we have to find the absolute value of the following. You can see -3 is written. When rule number 3 क्या था, whenever my subtraction sign is given, उसके बाद का जो भी integers होगा उसकी opposite sign के साथ उसको represent किया जाएगा. -3 is given and 2, so it's become plus, and the absolute value of +3 is always 3. So it is the absolute value of -3. Some another question is given, -20 subtraction sign, then -20 is written. तो फर्स्ट इंटीजर तो ऐसे ही आ जाएगा -20, बट सेकेंड इंटीजर के पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन है, सो आफ्टर दिस इट साइन becomes positive. Yes, its sign becomes positive. And we know that one two numbers are given of different sign, they subtract. What they subtract? Yes, minus 20 and plus 20 we get 0, and the absolute value of 0 is always 0, neither positive nor negative 0. Let us move further to another question. Yes, question number 3, fill in the blanks using greater or smaller sign. We have to put greater sign or smaller sign over here on the given question. The first question, number A, is written additive inverse of 42. The new word is additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is a number of same value with opposite sign. If 42 is written, 42 plus 42 is written, then the additive inverse of plus 42 is always minus 42. If the negative number is written, then the absolute additive inverse of the negative numbers are always in positive with same number, with same value. Additive inverse वो होता है कि अगर हम इनको add करें तो always we get 0. Okay, so additive inverse of 42 is minus 42, and we have to if we want to compare these two values, we have to simplify it first. minus 15 subtraction sign minus 3 is written. Rule number 3 अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, that is when subtraction sign is given, then आगे वाला integer opposite side के साथ आ जाएगा. Yes, minus 3 is written, it becomes plus 3. Okay, minus 15, one rule number 2 आ गया. One of negative and one of positive integers are given. When two different sign of integers are given, they subtract, and when we subtract we get 12, because 15 is larger than 3 and it has negative sign, so we have to put negative sign in our answer. And we know that 42 minus 42 is much lesser than minus 12. So minus 12 is also always greater than minus 42. Let us move further. Okay, one more question is given. Smallest positive integer and largest negative integer. We have to compare smallest positive integer with largest negative integers. We have a first of comparison करने के लिए we have to know what is the smallest positive integer and what is the largest negative integer. For this I want to draw a number line over here. The middle value of the number line is 1. Okay, the right side is 1, 2 and 3 and so on, and the left side is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. Okay, minus 1 it is minus 1 is written here. Okay, so smallest positive integer 0, after 0 we see that 1 is written. 1 is the smallest positive integer written over here. So smallest positive integer is 1, and when we move left of the 0, first number is written minus 1. All numbers are written left of the minus 1, so we can say the largest negative integer is minus 1. Largest negative integer is minus 1, and we know that all positive integers are greater than negative integers, so 1 is always greater than minus 1. Hope you have understood the given topic, and our topic is finished for today. Thank you, grade 7. Have a good day.